Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Imalizander's Quote. These words are powerful to transform your life for good. Don't forget to like, share as many, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Once again, welcome.
Good day, viewers. God bless you. I'll bring you the quote of the day. You don't need a special day to make someone special. Pick a day and make it special. Neither do you need a special fellow to be happy. All you need is to pick anyone and make them special. That is the true definition of your happiness. In quotes, your happiness. Let me come again one more time. You don't need a special day to make someone special. Pick a day and make it special. Neither do you need a special fellow to be happy. All you need to do is pick anyone that can make you happy. Pick anyone, you also make them happy. That is the true definition of your happiness. Now let's put it this way. So many persons might be waiting for their friend's birthday in order for them to tell them how good they've been. They might be waiting for the wedding day in order for them to get that gift and tell, oh, you've been a wonderful friend to me. It doesn't work like that. Any man that cannot honor you at your back is not a true friend. Any man that will speak against you behind your back is not a true friend. All you need to do for a friend, all you need to do, now let's even put it this way, all you need to do for yourself to get your happiness, because in my former video I talked about being good to people for yourself alone and not even for them. Pick that special day, celebrate that friend. It is not when that friend dies that you're going to do that. Pick a special someone. Mind you, everyone has their own bad attitude. Everyone has their temperament. Everyone has one bad thing or the other they do, or they are known for. All you need to do is pick this one. No matter if this one is a criminal, I like him the way he is. I'm not telling you to go and make friends with criminals, no. But I'm just using that as an illustration. No matter if this person has a bad head, he's my friend. It is what I've chosen to be. Do you know why? It is not about that person. It is about your own happiness. What can give you joy? I cite an example. Sometimes, let me even say this in my video. Sometimes people tend to send messages to their friends on their birthday. You've been this, you've been that, you've been that. The Bible made us to understand that for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. In other words, love is all about sacrifice. Now this is where I'm going to. If you love a friend and even on his birthday you cannot buy him something or even show him something sacrificial, that is not friend. You are being deceived. Some people can be so stingy in life that they cannot even give you a penny on your birthday. All they do is to compose message about how you've been good to them, how you've been done this, how you've done this, how you rescued them from this, and yes, they cannot make a sacrifice of a penny to give to you. I'm not actually saying that everyone is rich to do that, but let me tell you something. Stop deceiving yourself. In a year you've known your friend, you cannot save up to, even if it is 1,000 naira, that's for the Nigerians, even if it's let's say 500 or 100 pounds, even a 50 pounds to give to your friend, even if it is a $50 to give to your friend, if it's a 50 Canadian dollar to give to your friend in a year, and you claim this person has been good to you, and you claim this person is your friend, I tell you, you are being deceived. That is why I keep on I'll keep on hammering it and say, make someone special, so that when that person even hurts you, you don't feel it. It is your happiness that matters. If you are this type that can compose messages about how someone has been good to you, don't think everyone is being deceived. Don't think everyone is being deceived. Some people are surpassed that level that you are. They might just see your message and laugh and say thank you, oh thank you, thank you. They laugh, but they know who their true friends are. They know who their true friends are. You can't tell me I'm your friend in a year. I'm having my birthday marking or something, and you come, you say happy birthday. No, it doesn't work like that. Don't tell me you don't have. In a year, even if you are living with someone, even if you don't have a house, if you love your friend, you will sacrifice. God had only one son. That was the only one he had, and he gave it for the redemption of man. He gave it that men might be saved. He gave it for the riches for you and I to be wealthy in life. That was the only one he had. So don't give me any excuse and say because of this I could not do anything. That's a big, fat, chronic and demonic lie. So learn today that giving is all about sacrifice. Love is all about sacrifice. Love is all about sacrifice. Love is all about sacrifice. Pray, may God give you understanding to make someone special. Not only on their birthday, not only on their baby shower, not only on their marriage day, but just pick a day and say, let me celebrate my friend. And as you do this, God bless you.